Class, stand. Get out your bumblebee again and let's sing about the bumblebee. Are you ready? I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Won't my mama be so proud of me? I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Ouch! It stung me. Oh, let's squish him. I'm smushing up my baby bumblebee. Won't my mama be so proud of me? I'm smushing up my baby bumblebee. Ew, it's all over me. We better get this off because we won't be able to do our paper with all this yucky stuff on. Here we go. I'm wiping off my baby bumblebee. Won't my mama be so proud of me? I'm wiping off my baby bumblebee. Look, I'm all clean. Nice job, sit down. And let's look right here at these bumblebees on our paper. Do you see there are lots of bumblebees right there? And who is trying to get the honey? A bear, a great big bear is trying to reach in there and get that honey. But it would be fun to reach in there and get some of that fresh honey. Oh, it would taste so yummy, but we don't want to do that because the bees would definitely sting us. But we have been learning to write a number. Think in your brain. What number is a 1 and a 0? What number is that?
12.
A 1 and a 0?
No, 6.
Well, what is a 1 and a 0? Listen to the question. Boys and girls watching, I know you listen to the question. What is a 1 and a 0? A 10. And what is a 1 and a 3?
13.
And what is a 1 and a 1?
12.
11. And this number we've been learning to write is number
12.
And how do we make it? A 1 and a
2.
A 1 and a 2. Class stamp. Hop up and down 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now sit down. Bottom on your bottom, back on your back, hands in your lap, and feet in front of you so that we can do a nice paper, please. All right, let's look at our 12 right here. A 12, is it a straight stick?
No.
It's a what? A slanted stick. So I'm going to start at the red dot and slant down to the bottom of the box. Then I go over to the next red dot. I start just below the ceiling. I curve up to the ceiling. I curve around down and go slant down to the bottom. I bounce up, I bounce back down, and then back up again to make number 12. So today on our paper, we are going to make number 12. And then we will get to color that bear who is trying to eat all the honey and get it from the bumblebees. Class, stand. Clap, Rosette. Clap 12 times. Begin. Now watch. Is this how we clap? No. So I better not see this. Let's do it right. Clappers up. Clappers down. Clappers on your head. Clappers on your nose. Clappers up. Good. Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Quietly turn your chair into the table. Well, I like how quietly Jonathan is going, but I like how quickly Johanna and Bethany are going. Good job. Quickly and quietly. Nice. Go ahead and get out your paper. Table 2, pat yourself on the back. You are being so fast. Good job. William, be faster. Boys and girls watching, I'm glad you're ready to go. Thank you for being quick and fast. Slant your paper on your stars and take out your pencil. I'm going to get my pencil. Daddy says, Mommy says, and the babies say, great job. Go to the very first box, the blue box. Put your pencil on the red dot. Begin. Slant down to the bottom of the box. Pick up your pencil, go to the next red dot, go up to the ceiling, curve around, slant down to the bottom of the box, bounce up, bounce back, and bounce back up again. To make, what number are we making?
12.
12. Good job. Pencil rest on the bear. Pencil rest on that bear. Would you want to cuddle that bear?
No.
No, you can't cuddle those kind of bears, not the wild ones. Let's look right here. I start at the red dot. I slant down to the bottom of the box. I pick up my pencil, I touch the red dot, and I curve up to the ceiling. I curve around and slant down. Then I bounce up, bounce back, and then bounce up again to make what number?
12.
12. Good. Go to the orange box. Put your pencil on the red dot and begin. Slant down to the bottom of the box. Pick up your pencil, touch the red dot, curve up to the ceiling, curve around and slant down to the bottom, bounce off, bounce back, and bounce up again. Are you going slow? Are you staying on the lines? Take your time. Don't do it fast. Do your best. What box are we in now?
Green.
Green. So pencil rest on the bear and help her hand in the corner. Make sure mommy and daddy are still holding on tight and look right here at my green box. Let's see who did it fast. I like how Lauren and Elijah did it so fast. They didn't wait for Mrs. Stewart to say, put your eyes up here. They are working hard. Good job. I slant down to the bottom of the box. Table 2, thank you. I have all your eyes. Boys and girls watching, thank you. I start at the red dot. I curve up to the ceiling. I slant down to the bottom of the box. I bounce off, I bounce back, and up again. Go to box, the green box. Go to the green box. Slant down to the bottom of the box. Go to the next red dot. Curve up to the ceiling, curve around and slant down to the bottom of the box. Bounce off, bounce back, and bounce up again. Pencil rest on the honey. Pencil rest on the honey right there, the beehive. And what box are we in now?
Purple.
Purple. So where should your eyes be right now?
On the teacher.
On the teacher. So good. Get them right here so I can see your eyes so I know you're ready, because this is our last one to trace, because we're about to make our very own and I want you to do a good job. So all eyes right here. Good job, Oakley. I like those eyes. I slant down to the bottom of the box. I pick up my pencil. I start below the ceiling and I curve up to the ceiling and around. I slant down, then I bounce off, I bounce back, and back up again to make what number? 12. That's right. Good. Go to the purple box. Put your pencil on the red dot and slant down. Pick up your pencil. Mrs. Stewart, you got to hold your pencil down here. Okay. There you go. Start at the red dot, curve up to the ceiling, curve around and slant down, bounce up, bounce back, bounce up again. And pencil rest on the teacher card. Oh, pencil rest on the honey then. And eyes on me. I'm glad I didn't have to tell Elijah. I didn't have to tell Jonathan. Good job. Eyes this way. I'm going to start on the red dot. I'm going to slant down to the bottom of the box. Then I pick up my pencil. I curve up to the ceiling. I curve around and slant down. Then I bounce off, I bounce back, and back up again to make number 12. Go ahead to the last box. Put your pencil on the red dot. Begin. Slant down all the way to the bottom of the box. Pick up your pencil. Touch the red dot. Curve up to the ceiling. Curve around and slant down to the bottom. Bounce up, bounce back, and bounce off again. Pencils to bed. Whoa, this one looks like the teacher. I'm going to have to show this one. Working on our tracing, but look at that number 12. Wow. Very nice. Let's see if I can find another one. Oh, this voice. Look at this voice. Very nice. Let's see. Can I find any over here? Let me see. That's pretty good. Let me see. Whose can I pick? I could pick this one right here. Look at that slant. That number 1 is slanted. I like that. Nice slant. Good job. Take out your crayons. Put them on your name tag. Go ahead and open them up, and hands in your lap and your eyes right here on me. Good job, Jonathan. I love your hard work today. Boys and girls watching, do you get your eyes on me as fast as Jonathan does? He gets his eyes really fast. Let's look right here. We're going to look at the bumblebees. We're going to start counting at the ones right up here in the top of the tree above the beehive. Then we'll count the ones by the beehive. Then the next row and the next row, use not your finger, you're going to use your eyes. So we're going to count with our eyes. So you look at your paper, start up here, and count. Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, how many?
12.
Let's do that again. Joseph and Jonathan, make sure your hands are in your lap. We're not pointing with our fingers. We're using our eyes. Let's try that again. Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
12.
Good. 12. There are 12 bumblebees. But we're not going to color the bumblebees. They're already colored the way God made them. But we can color the bear. So I'm going to get my brown crayon out, and I'm going to color my bear. So eyes this way. I don't want to get brown on anything else but my bear. So I'm going to start up here by his ears, and I'm going to go really careful. And then I'm going to start on this ear and color really careful. I could tell who didn't have their eyes on me and their hands in their lap. Are you working hard? Are you doing your best? Remember, thou God seest me. I would want God to see me doing my best. And then I'm going to color left to right, left to right. I'm going to color around his nose, his head. I'm going to come down here. Oh, so careful. And then look, his hand is totally covered by that honey. Oh, it looks so delicious. Yummy. I'm going to color his arm, his body. I am coloring all the way around, and I'm doing a very nice job. I'm staying inside of my lines. Go ahead and take out your brown crayon check. Helper hand in the corner, Daddy says.
Buckle up.
Mommy says.
I love you.
And the babies say.
I love you.
Great job. Now that you have your babies and your mommy and daddy where they need to be, go ahead and color your paper. Finish coloring it. Just the bear. We're just coloring the bear, so don't get brown on anything else. Take your time and color the bear nicely. I'm going to come check your work, see how you're doing. See if you're coloring from left to right so that you have pretty colors. When you color from left to right, when you go one direction, it makes it so pretty. If you scribble and go different directions, then it doesn't look so nice. We want to do our best. Who made the bees? God did, that's right. And remember how the bees have those little legs and they get the pollen on their legs and they go from different plants to different plants, and then they have some of it left on their little legs and they bring it back to their beehive so that they can make the honey. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So delicious. What kind of bug is a bee? Do you remember?
Busy bee.
It is a busy bee, you're right. It's an insect. The bees are insects. How come they're insects? Because they have how many legs?
6.
They do. They have 6 legs. You can't always see them, but they're there. And how do they make that buzzing sound that they make?
With their wings.
Yes, good job with their wings. You remembered. I like that hard work. Good job. So fun. You're doing a great job. Very nice. Let's see yours. Very nice. I like your coloring. Let's look at his paper. He colored neatly, and he's working on tracing and working on that number 2 for the number 12. I like that hard work. Good job, Connor. Way to work hard. I like that you colored from left to right. You colored nicely. Very nice. If you hold your paper, then your paper won't turn around and you'll be able to color neater. There you go. Wow, let's look at Jonathan's paper. He colored from left to right. He's following directions today. Nice job. Very nice job. Wow, this whole table's paper looks nice. Very nice. Wow. I love it. Sweet workers today. You're being sweet workers when you follow directions and you do your best and you let God see you working hard and doing your best. You're being sweet workers. I like it. How many bees did we have on our paper?
12.
How many bears are on our paper?
1.
1. How many beehives are on our paper?
1.
1. Good job. And what family is number 12 in?
Teen family.
How come?
1 and a 2.
Because it has a 1 in front of it and it's a 1 and a 2, making it the number what?
12.
Number 12. Good job. I like that hard work. You were doing your very best today. Let's look at our papers. Wow. Very nice. Table 2, why don't you show your papers to your friends watching? Coloring so nicely. They're coloring inside the lines and doing their very best today. Great job. All right, you can put your paper down. Let's look at yours, boys and girls watching. Show us yours. Nice work. Table 2, tell your friends at your table, which is boys and girls watching, say you did a great job.
You did a great job.
We are proud of you too, boys and girls watching. Let's see. Table 3, show your papers to your friends watching. They are coloring nicely. Way to go. All right, put yours down. You did a great job. And let's look over here at table 1. Table 1, show your papers to your friends watching. Didn't your friends work hard today, boys and girls watching? Isn't it nice to see your friends doing their best too? It is. All right, go ahead and put yours down. You did a great job. What comes before number 12? Who can tell me that? Think in your brain. What comes before number 12? Before we get to number 12. What number, Johanna?
11.
11. And what comes after number 12? Jonathan?
13.
13. You are working hard. Great job. Crayons down. Get Peter Pointer out. Touch your nose 12 times. Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Nice, nice work. Go ahead and close up your crayon boxes. Boys and girls watching, I'm so proud of you. You did a great job today coloring your paper and making your number 12. Keep working on writing your numbers.